are once again live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the battle of the USI Falcons and of course the Mpcf Blue Dolphins in the juniors division for the last game this Sunday. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Live na live tayo ngayon via Bucal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, and also to One Media TV 48 Naga YouTube channel via One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Ako po si Jasper Abante and makakasama natin ngayon Christine Reyes dito sa last game ngayong Sunday.
At ayun nga Jasper, i-correct lang natin, this will be the seniors division of the USI Falcons and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. At napakagandang laban yung nakita natin during the first 3 games. At ngayong last game na to, siguradong maghahatid pa rin tayo ng magagandang aksyon dito. Ito Jasper, pag-usapan lang natin itong ating dalawang kupunan. The USI Falcons on the Division 2, 6-0. Wala pa po silang talo, napakaganda ng standing nila. While on the other side, the Mariners Blue Dolphins, meron na silang 2 panalo at 4 na talo, kung kaya ngayong hapon po talagang labanan ng opensa at depensa dito dahil parehong kupunan po ay gustong makuha ang panalo. At para sa ating team bahay, mapapanood po tayo ng live sa ating mga Facebook pages sa Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga and Bucal Facebook page.
Ayan at yan na nga, we are about to start our ball game here as the players. The first 5 for both of these teams are now entering the hardcourt, and as we can see in the seniors division, handang-handa na magpasabog itong dalawang teams na ito. We have the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the USI Falcons. Ang standing natin for the USI Falcons, we have 6 wins and 0 losses. Nako, undefeated pala ito. Itong ating USI Falcons, and of course the Mpcf Blue Dolphins having this 2 wins and 4 losses standing. So tingnan natin kung kaya bang dungisan nitong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins yung undefeated streak dito ng ating USI Falcons. Alright, so let's hear an update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins.
Pero babalikan natin Jasper yung ating courtside reporter, but now we're starting the first quarter of the game. It will be the ball possession of the USI Falcons. Now, Asibor.
Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons. Asibor to inbound. Jersey number 10 Posada has it to jersey number 22. Now, Asibor eyeing on that 3 points attempt, pero an early whistle. The same ball possession for the USI Falcons with 14 seconds to shoot. Now let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Maui on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Maui, take it away.
Good afternoon, basketball fans from all around the Bicolania. This is your courtside reporter Maui Balane reporting from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. With a golden opportunity for redemption, the Blue Dolphins are set to face the number 1 seeded team in Division 2, the USI Falcons. Now, fueled by an intense desire for a crucial victory, they are expected to leave everything on the court in pursuit of triumph. For more live actions, just tune in at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Now back to you, Jasper and team.
Thank you so much, Maui, on that update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Naku, abangan natin yung kung paano pinaghandaan itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. For sure, pinaghandaan nila ito ng maigi since the USI Falcons nga undefeated number 1 seeding for Division 2. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga preparations nila and kung magbubunga ba yung mga trainings and of course yung kanilang plano dito for their match against the USI Falcons. Now on the other side, we have our courtside reporter Chen from the USI Falcons also to give us an update. Alright, so Chen, take it away.
Good
afternoon, Teen and Jasper. And hello, Bicolandia. Chen is here once again reporting live and ready to give you all the action and update dito sa side ng ating soaring Falcons. Team chemistry is the key to victory. Ang team chemistry nga ang isa sa focus ng USI Falcons ngayong round 2. Kailangan nilang makuha ang panalo sa laban na ito para mapanatili ang kanilang position sa Division 2. Hindi natin mapagkakaila, Teen and Jasper, na this team improved a lot. Ang kailangan nila this team ay magtulungan ng magkakasama at ipakita what the USI Falcons is. Kaya naman manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Bucal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan muna and I'll be back for more updates.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan, thank you so much, Chen. Again, dahil nga itong ating USI Falcons, talagang hadang-hada ngayon at yung kailangan nila is team chemistry. Dahil nasabi nga ni Chen dito na grabe talaga yung in-improve ng ating USI Falcons from the last season. And now, talagang step up itong ating USI Falcons. And now, as we are starting this first quarter, 3 puntos nga po ang kalamangan ngayon ng USI Falcons. But now, this will be the ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now, Blue Dolphins, what a follow-up shot by jersey number 23 on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, USI's basketball, Asibor, nagmamadali. Now, jersey number 10, Posada. Hands it to Asibor again. Posada lose that ball. Pero a steal here by Razon. Blue Dolphins, no good on that attempt. Now, jersey number 22, Doloso. On the corner, jersey number 15, no good. Turnover on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Napapadalas yung turnover for both of these teams. Nahihirapang makapenetrate sa pares na front court. A good defense shown here by both of these teams. Now, no good on that attempt. Out of bounds as the USI Falcons will take that ball possession.
Kaya nga, Jasper, kailangan na talagang pag-igihan itong USI and Mariners dahil sabi mo nga kanina, napaparami na yung turnovers nila dito at kailangan nilang bawasan if they really want to get this momentum para dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Asibor fires for 3. That's good. Extending their lead by 4. Now, Mariners Blue Dolphins on the offense now. 4 na puntos sa kanilang hinahabol dito, Bacolod. 18 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Jersey. Pero a whistle foul there.
May kasabayan na foul by jersey number 10, Posada. Now, Razon standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. No good on that first attempt by Razon. Once again, Razon. And that's good for that second attempt by Razon, adding 1 point sa kanilang scoreboard. Now, Asibor hands it to jersey number 25. No good on that attempt. Now, Blue Dolphins, Merenciano with that alley-oop play. And that's good. Grabe. Lowered to a point lead by the USI Falcons. Now, Asibor eyeing on that basket. And that's good. A clean basket for jersey number 22, Doloso of the USI Falcons. Now, tingnan naman natin kung anong ganti ang gagawin nitong ating Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 24 hands it to Malaluan. Now back to 21.
Now, Bacolod heavily guarded here. Tries, and that's good. Talagang bumabawi din naman talaga itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, but at the same time, itong ating USI Falcons, consistency from the first game na meron sila dito sa Season 6, talagang napakaganda na nung ipinapakita nila.
I am seeing yung laban kanina ng USI Falcons and the Pasacao Academy White Tigers in the Juniors Division. Ganito rin kadikit yung laban. And yung ating Pasacao Academy White Tigers still looking for their first win this season. Hindi rin hinayaang makalayo yung ating USI Falcons with that 12 points lead after that 4 quarters of action. Ngayon tingnan natin kung papayag rin itong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins na maiwan. Pero sa nakikita natin dito sa first 5 minutes and 31 seconds ng ating first quarter ay bibigyan tayo nito ng magandang laban. Now, jersey number 25 Del Rosario of the Falcons. Now, Blue Dolphins, Taghoy, hands it to Merenciano, fires for the 3, and that's good! Nothing but the net for Merenciano. Hatid sa atin yan ang Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Napakalinis magtrabaho nitong si Merenciano. Now, Doloso, no hesitation using his right hand for that layup. And that's good.
And still a tight matchup between the Mariners and the USI Falcons. 12-13 on our scoreboard. Now, meron siya the ball. Passes on the corner. Napapasok sa loob. Doloso was there. No good.
Offensive rebound, and that's good for that pull-up jumper. Now, jersey number 22. No hesitation, may kasabay pa nga. Ayan na 3 points play opportunity for jersey number 22 of the USI Falcons, Doloso. Now, no good on that 3 points play opportunity. In and out ball for that second chance by jersey number 8, pero hindi siya pumayag doon din. Quijano puts up that 2 points in his third attempt. Now, Blue Dolphins ball possession. Panis, well guarded, very guarded here, double team Merenciano. And natawagan dito ng blocking foul si jersey number 22. Doloso of the USI Falcons. Now the same ball possession for the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 17. Now on that 3 points fake attempt. Once again for the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 18, Panis.
At ayun nga, Jasper, hindi nagkakalayuan yung ating score dito sa ating first quarter. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 16-17. Nasa penalty na nga po itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now let's see, as this the ball possession of the USI Falcons. What a great three-pointer coming from
Chavez of the USI Falcons. Grabe. Napakalinis talaga magtrabaho nitong dalawang teams na ito pagdating sa 3 points. Now let's see, jersey number 5 once again for the USI Falcons, De La Punta. Grabe, hindi na nila dito pinapapuntos itong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins, pero let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin nila dito. Now, jersey number 21 Bacolod. Hands it to jersey number 13, Razon. And natawagan dito ng blocking foul si jersey number 5, Cirvelos of the USI Falcons. The same ball possession for the MPCF Blue Dolphins, Taghoy to inbound. Now to Panis. Panis pushes for that layup. Comes up short, and another offensive rebound. Grabing follow-up yun din. Sayang in and out ball. And out of bounds as the USI Falcons will take that ball possession. Now, jersey number 5. Grabe, alley-oop shot by Quijano of the USI Falcons. Now, Corporal hands it to Panis using his right hand and overshoot it. Sayang, a missed opportunity for the Blue Dolphins. Sayang yon. Now jersey number 5, Cervelos, hands it to Lok. Now Cervelos again.
10 seconds to shoot on the side of the USI Falcons, and another clean basket coming from jersey number 13, Lok. Grabe itong USI Falcons simula nung pag-umpisa ng ating first quarter. Talaga namang opensa kung opensa para dito, pero agad namang bumawi itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, and with the last 34 seconds, 18-27 on our scoreboard. Just a 9-point lead at napakadaling lumayo nitong ating USI Falcons dito sa ating first quarter. Now let's see, as we are now down to the 10 seconds on the shot clock of the USI Falcons. Now Nagal, heavily guarded here, now passes to Lok. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Tries for 3, no good this time. Now Mariners, 7 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now we spin and the basket para mabawasan dito yung kalamangan. Now our first quarter ended with 20-27 in favor of the USI Falcons. We will be back for the second quarter of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back for the second quarter of the game of the USI Falcons and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Doon sa pagtapos po ng ating first quarter, napakaganda na naging umpisa natin, pero at the same time doon sa mga last minute ng ating first quarter, talagang nilayo ng USI Falcons yung kanilang kalamangan against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And now again, first basket on our second quarter. And the Mariners Blue Dolphins naghahabol pa rin dito ng 10, but still this is a good matchup between these two teams. Talagang hindi papatalo itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins dito sa ating number 1 team dito sa ating Division 2.
Now, ball possession of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins.
14 seconds. And ayan, Jasper, shoutout din tayo dito sa ating live viewers dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout kay Carmelo Grabata, Hyacinth J, Jelay Antones, Melay Borja, at kay John Darius Bico. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Alright, so nagkaroon dito ng officials review kung ano nga ba yung nangyari talaga doon sa last sequence na yun, and we'll be waiting for the decisions of our referee. Alright, so for the meantime, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors, our major sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. We also have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bicol. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors for Bucal Season 6.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Napakaraming sponsors. And of course, sa ating mga live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium na talagang grabe yung pag-suporta dito sa ating USI Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 21 now. Passes here.
Ayan, natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 13 of the USI Falcons Lock. Ayan, taghoy to inbound for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now, Bacolod hands it to jersey number 4 Corporal. Now, a shooting foul here. Natawagan dito ng shooting foul si jersey number 5 si Ruelos, sending Corporal on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. 20-30 ang ating score. 10 points lead of the USI Falcons. And that's good for that first attempt by Corporal. A good opportunity on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins to lessen the lead of the USI Falcons. Now ball possession of the USI Falcons jersey number 11 to inbound. Now Asibor, a man-to-man trapping ang ginagawa dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And to hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the USI Falcons. Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, Tin and Jasper, first quarter is really something dahil nagpakita agad ng bangis at galing ang Falcons sa larangan ng basketball. During the huddle nga, the coaches keep reminding the team na bigyan pa ng effort at ipagpatuloy lang ang magandang laro na ipinapakita. Magtulungan lang and read the situation. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, napakaganda ng first quarter dito ng ating USI Falcons. Talagang nagpaulan agad ng mga tres. The offensive side of the USI Falcons agad nakita dito. But at the same time, kailangan din nilang maging consistent when it comes to playing here. And talagang no room for complacency kahit napakalaki na nung kalamangan nila dito against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 10-point lead, 22-32. At anong gagawin ng mga adjustment ng Mariners Blue Dolphins para makahabol sa puntos na yan? And to hear an update, andyan si Maui. Hi Maui, anong balita natin dyan?
Thanks, Dean and Jasper. If not now, when? A crucial match that needs the 100% effort to have a chance of winning this game. According to head coach Danny, that the wait is over as everyone needs to step up now as they try to catch up in the face of this game. Makakahabol kaya ang Mariners Blue Dolphins? Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui, on that update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Abangan natin kung ano yung gagawin ditong adjustments, especially on their defense dahil medyo lumolobo na dito yung kalamangan ng ating USI Falcons. And as we all know, kilalang kilala itong ating USI Falcons sa malaking lamang after the 4-quarter actions. Now let's see kung ano yung gagawin ditong adjustments on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Siyempre, number 1 na dyan yung pressure tin. The pressure is on their back since yun na nga ang kalaban nila dito, undefeated, the number 1 seeding for the second division of Bucal Season 6. Pero let's see if how do the Mpcf Blue Dolphins deal on that pressure. Alright, so aalamin natin yan all along our ball game. And as we can see here, patuloy ang pagdagdag ng puntos nitong ating USI Falcons, raising their lead to 12 points. Now, Mpcf basketball.
At yun nga, Jasper, nasabi mo kanina na na-feel itong, or nafe-feel itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, yung pressure dahil number 1 on the Division 2 yung kanilang kalaban. But at the same time, pwede nila itong gawing motivation to really fight a good matchup against the USI Falcons. And now, dito sa ating second quarter, kailangan mag-step up na nitong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins because the USI Falcons still dominating this quarter. But there's still a lot of minutes here dito sa ating second quarter, and they can do something about that 12-point lead coming from the side of the USI Falcons. Now, 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Doloso passes to Asibor. Now they are taking their time here. Asibor passes now to jersey number 13, Lok. Now, a steal from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Nagmamadali dito.
Getting that layup using his left hand. Attacked on the right side of the front court. Now, let's see kung anong bawi naman. Jersey number 13. And a whistle. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 21, Bacolod of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins.
Now it's the USI Falcons basketball. Lok passes here to Asibor. That is stepping on the line there. 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. And the timeout was called. Galing dito sa ating USI Falcons. Still 24-34. A 10-point lead coming from the side of the USI Falcons. At syempre Jasper, patuloy lang yung kanilang pagdomina dito sa ating second quarter. And kahit nga nasa kanila yung kalamangan, hindi sila nagpapakampante dito. At talagang binibigay nila yung kanilang lahat. And they stick on their gameplay to really have this good offense as well as defense.
And also, on the part of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, nakikita naman natin yung kanilang eagerness para hindi makalayo ng masyadong malayo itong ating USI Falcons.
Ayan, Jasper, shoutout natin dito si Michael John Legacion, kay Paul Beltran, Karen Spaniel Villaflor, at kay Heinrich Mendaro. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. This is the last game of our Sunday matchup. The Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the USI Falcons.
Now, ball possession of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
Nagkakaagawan dito. Is still from the side of the USI Falcons. Look! Getting that point, extending their lead here. The Mariners, what will they do now? Razon, no good. Rebound for the side of the USI Falcons. Asibor. The pass is on the corner. Tries for 3. No good. And the ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons. 14 seconds to shoot here. We're halfway through our second quarter.
24-36, 12 points lead pa rin of the USI Falcons. Now, Asibor. Another whistle. And the same ball possession pa rin for the USI Falcons. Now, on the corner, defensive rebound here, but out of bounds. The same ball possession pa rin for the USI Falcons. Grabe, hindi nawawalan ng ball possession itong ating USI Falcons. Let's see.
Now USI Falcons on the offense now. 8 seconds to shoot here. Look, pass to Doloso. Now Asibor. Back to Doloso. Punches for 3. That's good para dito sa ating USI Falcons. Still dominating this quarter. Now let's see. Merenciano with the ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Spins. No good. Doloso now with the ball.
Now to jersey number 13, Lok. Doloso once again. A good ball rotation. Fakes for the 3. Goes to the inside and a pass to jersey number 22, Doloso. Getting that 3 points. Grabe, back-to-back 3. Hatid sa atin ang USI Falcons, and that forces the Mpcf Blue Dolphins to issue a timeout. Grabe, na-hold na dito yung puntos ng MPCF Blue Dolphins to 24 points and patuloy yung pag-arangkada nitong ating USI Falcons. 18 points lead na ang hawak nila ngayon, and nagsisimula natin yung sinasabi nating dominant run nitong ating USI
Falcons. Kaya naman, Jasper, aabangan pa natin yan dito sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter. Kalahatian pa lamang tayo, pero grabe na agad yung pinapakita dito ng ating USI Falcons. So let's see what will be the adjustment of the Mariners Blue Dolphins after this timeout. Meron ba silang panibagong gameplay para madepensahan yung kanilang kalaban dito? Now, 4 minutes and 51 seconds, 24-42 on our scoreboard. Kahit itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins talagang patuloy lang lumalaban dito to get a point here. Now, it's their ball possession. Merenciano now with the ball. Passes to Razon. 20 seconds here. Now, Merenciano for a three-pointer. Napakalinis para dito.
Nothing but the net. Merenciano of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Napakaagang sagot naman nun after that timeout issued by them. Now, ball rotation again on the side of the USI Falcons. Asibor. Long three, no good. And out of bounds as the USI Falcons will take that same ball possession. Doloso to inbound.
4 minutes and 12 seconds. Now let's see. With 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the USI Falcons. Bacolod back on the court in exchange of Merenciano. Now, USI Falcons on the offense. Passes on the corner, tries for three. Thanks to Locke extending that lead of the USI Falcons. 27-45. Now, Razon. Pass to Bacolod. Now to Taghoy. Going inside, no good.
Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 23, Tioxon of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. In penalty situation na tayo on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. And as we can see, still a clean game for the USI Falcons.
Now Doloso on the free throw line. First free throw was good. 3 minutes and 43 seconds na lamang po ang natitira dito sa ating second quarter. Now Doloso for his second free throw. Penalty na nga itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. 27-46. In and out ball.
Pero another free throw for Doloso. Once again, Doloso with 3 minutes and 42 seconds remaining sa ating first half. No good on that free throw by Doloso. Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense now. Jersey number 17 hands it to Merenciano. Now, Merenciano looking for a good opportunity here, pero tawagan dito ng foul. Si jersey number 12, a blocking foul issued to Alamer of the USI Falcons. Now, jersey number 17, Taghoy to inbound.
14 seconds to shoot here para dito sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, heavily guarded here, passes to Merenciano. Merenciano going inside, taking a deep breath, no good. Cruelos without rebound. Now, now 3 minutes and 2 seconds remaining here. Now, Mariners Blue Dolphins basketball. Still, na-stuck sila doon sa 27 points. Pero that will be a turnover here Lot of turnovers para dito sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ang daming opportunity sana pero lagi nasasayang. They need to lessen that now. Ciruelos, 18 seconds to shoot. Passes to Posada. Now, on the other side, para dito kay Doloso.
4. No good on that attempt by 4. And the defensive rebound here by the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now, Merenciano. 19 points lead ang hawak na kalamangan dito ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. Jersey number 4. Corporal. Pushes to the inside. Comes up short. Another no good on that. Now Posada on the side of the USI Falcons. Now on the corner, Ciruelos. Airball on that 3 points attempt pero may follow-up shot dyan. Si jersey number 12, Alamer of the USI Falcons. Now, Merenciano once again natawagan dito ng foul, ng pushing foul si jersey number 12 Alamer of the USI Falcons. Now, Grado and jersey number 5 Del Rosario checked in for the USI Falcons. Corporal inbounded the ball to jersey number 21.
Now,
Bacolod, no good. Lumilipad sana si Bacolod, pero no good on that attempt by Bacolod. And as we can see right now, Dolphins had the wings. Grabe.
now USI Falcons, a steal from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And it will stay on their side here. A minute and 21 seconds remaining. 27-48 pa rin. Napako na itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Just 27 points. And they need to step up now as the end of the first half fast approaching now. Now, jersey number 21 passes here to Razon. 12 seconds to shoot. Merenciano now looking for a hole here. Passes on the corner, tries for 3. Still no good here. Ciruelos with that rebound. 58 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Doloso now with the ball. USI Falcons still on the lead here. Alamer passes to Posada. Back to Alamer.
Almost a 3-point shot, pero no good. Napalakas doon yung tira nitong ating USI Falcons. Now, NPCF's basketball. Merenciano nagmamadali. Grabe. Double team Merenciano, but he still uses his left hand for that layup. And nadagdagan na dito ng 2 puntos ang ating NPCF Blue Dolphins. Now, Doloso handed the ball to Del Rosario. A good ball rotation once again for that 3 points. Muntik natin. But a defensive rebound here on the side of the NPCF Blue Dolphins. 10 seconds remaining for our first half. And that's good. Courtesy of Bacolod of the NPCF Blue Dolphins. Now, almost a buzzer beater shot for the USI Falcons, pero not good on that attempt, and that's the end of our first half. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami after a short halftime break. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. once again live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second half of the clash. Mariners Blue Dolphins and the USA Falcons in the seniors division with that 17 points lead of the USA Falcons. Once again, Del Rosario starting everything up on the second half. Another steal. Posada with the whistle. Ayun, natawagan dito ng foul. Si jersey number 0 of the Blue Dolphins, Tondo.
At ayan nga Jasper, dun sa ating first half, itong ating USA Falcons ay napakaganda nung performance na pinakita nila. And after that, itong ating third quarter, Asibor fires for 3 and extending their lead here against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. But another turnover, a lot of opportunities yung nawala dito sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, kung saan nga halos magkaparehas lang din yung turnovers na nagawa dito ng USA Falcons and Mariners Blue Dolphins during the first half. But the USA Falcons talagang nagawan ng paraan para makuha pa rin yung mga puntos nila dito. But now let's see, as this is the ball possession of the USA Falcons. Asibor passes here to jersey number 15. 6 seconds to shoot. Posada for that 2 points. And an early timeout was called here for the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 31-55.
Alright, so as we can see dito sa ating halftime analysis, mas mataas talaga yung turnover nitong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins compared sa turnovers na nagawa ng ating USA Falcons. Pero pagdating naman sa 3 points attempt, mas malaki itong 3 points attempt ng USA Falcons with 21 attempts, and 9 out of that 21 attempts is good for that 3 points. Ayan, at katumbas yan ng 42.86% pagdating naman dito sa side ng USA Falcons. And as we can see, mas mataas yung starter points nitong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins kumpara sa starter points ng ating USA Falcons. But the bench points of the USA Falcons is much higher than the bench points of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now back to the ball game. Malaluan. Another missed opportunity for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Once again, jersey number 22, Doloso. Grabe. Alright, so let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Maui on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Maui, take it away.
Ayan nga, Jasper and team cut out for a challenge, battling the heights of the Falcons. The Mpcf Blue Dolphins tries to stay alive in this match. With dynamic adjustments from the timeout, Coach Danny is hoping na makabalik pa ang Blue Dolphins sa larong ito. Now for more live actions, just tune in at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui, on that update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Na yun nga habang nagre-report si Maui, back-to-back points and a missed opportunity again for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. But this time, may kasabay na yan din na whistle. Therefore, jersey number 13 will get that shooting free throw. Alright, so on the other hand, we have the USA Falcons. Let's hear an update naman from our courtside reporter, Chen. Alright, so tawagin na natin si Chen. Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tien and Jasper. We are now on the second half of the game at patuloy pa rin tayong binibigyan ng magandang laro ng USA Falcons, not letting the Blue Dolphins na makapuntos. This time, kailangan lang nilang mas sipagan pa at huwag nang hayaang mawala sa momentum. Huwag madaliin, huwag magpadala sa pressure, and always stay ready. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng Falcons. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, no room for complacency dito sa side ng USA Falcons kahit napaka-komportable na nung kanilang kalamangan against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And at the same time, hindi din talaga nila hinahayaan na makapuntos dito ang Mariners Blue Dolphins. And another three-pointer was given dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. Talagang grabe yung depensang ipinapakita ngayon nitong ating USI Falcons against the Blue Dolphins. Now 33-64, 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter.
Grabe. Napakalaking kalamangan ang ginagawa dito ng ating USI Falcons. A really big margin. 31 points lead of the USI Falcons and out of bounds as the Mpcf Blue Dolphins will take that ball possession. A very crucial opportunity for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins para naman mabawasan ang kalamangan dito since they are now doing a man-to-man trapping and still another from Doloso but a missed cue. Ayan, a missed opportunity. Pero same ball possession pa rin for the USI Falcons. Now Doloso to inbound. Now jersey number 15 hands it to Posada. Posada with a steal. A steal here by Razon. And a whistle foul. Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 25 Del Rosario of the USI Falcons. The same ball possession for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now, ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins? Bacolod spins, pushes, and a 2 free throws ang makukuha dito ni Bacolod after that foul by jersey number 3 Asibor of the USI Falcons. Grabe, patuloy na nakikita natin yung dominant run nitong ating USI Falcons. Talagang pinapatunayan nila sa atin na they are the powerhouse of the Division 2. Grabe. Once again, Doloso using his right-hand attack on the left side. 2 points layup. Now, nahihirapan dito itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. A real trouble on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Doloso once again. Back-to-back points by Doloso of the USA Falcons. Once again, a steal by jersey number 5 Del Rosario. Hands it to Doloso. Grabe, matunog na pangalan ni Doloso. 6 points na kaagad ang score dito ni Doloso. Once again, a steal coming from Asibor to Doloso to Asibor. Fakes for the 3. Now to Posada. Fars for the 3. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now Blue Dolphins. Bacolod. Bacolod on the offense. Well guarded Bacolod. But no hesitation. Goes to the outside. No good on that 3 points attempt. And the same ball possession pa rin for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins after that foul. As we are about to approach the midway of our third quarter. 33-70 po ang ating score dito. Grabe.
Now it's the ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins with 14 seconds to shoot here. Merenciano with the ball, taking their time. 8 seconds, tries for 3, no good. Now USI Falcons on the offense now. Now jersey number 5 Ciruelos passes to Lok. USI Falcons, ano kayang gagawin dito? But it will be a turnover for the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. An opportunity for them to lessen this big gap of the USI Falcons. Now Bacolod, hindi ka na mawala dito sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now let's see with this shot clock what will happen, and that's a 2 points coming from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now jersey number 12 hands it to Ciruelos. Now Baita for the 3 points. No good on that attempt by jersey number 11 Nagal. Once again Lok for that mid-range jumper. Nothing but the net.
Now, Mariners Blue Dolphins on the offense again. Pero it will stay on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 3 minutes and 54 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. It is still the ball possession of the Mariners. Corporal to Merenciano. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Merenciano ngayon. Passes to Corporal. Tries for a 3. No good offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. But this time, a foul was whistled. And jersey number 23, Tocson, will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Ngayon, napakalaki na nung kalamangan na hawak-hawak ng USI Falcons. And at this moment, and with this quarter, talagang kailangan na mag-step up nitong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins if they really want to get this win dito sa laban against the USI Falcons. But on the other side, the USI Falcons still comfortable with that big lead against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Kaya titignan natin kung patuloy ba itong pagdomina ng USI Falcons dito sa laban ngayong hapon na ito. Now, 35-72. It's the ball possession of the USI Falcons, or 36-72 on our scoreboard. Now, jersey number 9, Baita passes to Ciruelos. Ciruelos tries, no good. Rebound for the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Bacolod now with the ball. Passes to Merenciano. Now they are taking their time here. Merenciano passes on the inside pero nakuha yan ng USI Falcons. Nagmamadali dito. Look! A whistled foul and he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Grabe. The USA Falcons is still leading by a big margin dito. 24 points. Ang hawak nilang kalamangan dito.
Now Locke still on the free throw line there. 36-73. 3-minute mark na ng ating third quarter. Now, Mariners Blue Dolphins ball possession. Now, let's see. Merenciano with the ball. Passes here to jersey number 16. 10 seconds on the shot clock. USI Falcons steal that ball. Ciruelos ngayon, didiretso sa loob. Now, Nagal. Passes here to Baita. Heavily guarded here, double team. And the ball will go on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Ayan, at correction, 37 big margin points pala ang hawak na kalamangan dito nitong ating USI Falcons. Now, Mpcf Blue Dolphins with that offense. Now, Merenciano with the foul coming from jersey number 8, pushing foul on the side of the USI Falcons. Ayan, at natawagan siya ng pushing foul si Quijano. Then, Quijano sends Merenciano on the free throw line to get his 2 free throws. Ayan, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading, Unibersidad Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat din po sa Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga, University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, Department of Agriculture Bicol, and BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Now back to the ball game. Merenciano, Bacolod rather, getting that layup as we are down to the last 1 minute and 25 seconds of the third quarter. The NPCF Blue Dolphins is still trailing here by 35 points. No good on that 3 points attempt by jersey number 9 Baita. Now, Merenciano lumilipad but didn't get that 2 points. Now, a couple of substitutions here. Taghoy and Tondo checked in for the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 13, Locke. Hands it to jersey number 5, Ciruelos. Now to jersey number 9, Baita. Double team Baita. Now Ciruelos to Locke with 8 seconds to shoot. Locke for that 3. Almost a 3 but no good on that attempt by Locke. Now, ayan at natawagan dito ng double foul. Si jersey number 8, Quijano, and jersey number 23 of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Ayan.
And Jasper, we only have 38 seconds remaining for our third quarter here. Jersey number 17 of the Mariners Blue Dolphins to inbound. 40-75, 35-point lead here. Tries, no good, offensive rebound, but the USI Falcons big man steals that ball. Ciruelos ngayon, di diretso. Too short for that one. Now let's see, as the Mariners Blue Dolphins with only 19 seconds to shoot here. Bacolod taking their time. They need to have a point here before the third quarter ends. Bacolod spins, passes on the other side. Tries, no good. Pero whistle foul there. 5 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. The USI Falcons on the penalty now. 40-75 on our scoreboard. Now jersey number 26, Bagsik of the Mariners Blue Dolphins on the free throw line for 2 shots here. First free throw, no good on that one. Now, kailangan niya nang makuha itong kanilang pangalawang free throw para mabawasan lang itong malaking kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. Still no good. 4 seconds remaining, USI Falcons basketball. Look, passes to Baita. And that's the end of our third quarter. Big gap of the USI Falcons, 40-75. We'll be back for the fourth and final quarter of the game only here on the Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back for the fourth and final quarter of the matchup of the USI Falcons and the Mariners Blue Dolphins, kung saan 35 big points yung hawak mong kalamangan dito ng ating USI Falcons. Now let's see dito sa ating fourth quarter kung meron bang pagbabago doon sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now it's the USI's basketball and first or early point para dito sa ating USI Falcons. Now let's see, Mariners Blue Dolphins, grabe yung pagbantay sa kanila dito ng USI Falcons. Still no good here. Offensive rebound. Now we'll try again one more time. Still no good as the ball without rebound.
Now USI Falcons on the offense right now. Del Rosario for the 3, almost a 3 points, and out of bounds as the MPCF Blue Dolphins will take that ball possession. Ayan nga, unang arangkada ng ating fourth and last quarter. Nagkaroon na dito ng 2 puntos na paunang puntos itong ating USA Falcons, pero maagang bawi naman. Agad namang nakabawi dyan si jersey number 12 for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Ayan, Naag. Now, Posada for the USA Falcons. Hands it to Asibor. Now to jersey number 15. Using his left hand once again. Graho.
Now, Jasper, napakabilis agad ng ating oras dito. But still, the Mariners Blue Dolphins struggling to get a point here against the USI Falcons. Samantalang itong USI Falcons, dire-diretso, napakaganda ng momentum doon sa kanilang side and communication between the players. Kaya naman, up until the fourth quarter, nasa kanila yung kalamangan. At para makarinig tayo ng update kung ano pang gagawin dito ng USI Falcons, let's hear it from Chen.
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. We are now on the last quarter of the game. All out kung all out nga dito sa ating USI Falcons, not letting the Blue Dolphins na makahabol. They just have to continue the consistency that they are showing para mapanatili ang kalamangan and to finish this game strong. Makukuha kayang muli ng USI Falcons ang panalo? Yan ang dapat nating tutukan dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Shannon, that update from the side of the USA Falcons. Naku, abangan natin kung paano ipapagpatuloy nitong ating USA Falcons yung kanilang momentum dito and how do they will maintain and sustain this high or the big margin lead kontra dito sa ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Well, kilala naman talaga natin itong ating USA Falcons sa kanilang malalaking gaps or leads sa kanilang mga kalaban, but ito iba to 10. Mas malaki ito. Now, a long three and a clean basket coming from Asibor of the USA Falcons. Grabe, nakikita natin yung patuloy na pag-domina nila ng ating hardcourt. And on the other side, we also have our courtside reporter, Maui from the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, to give us an update. Alright, so tawagin na natin siya. Maui, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and Tin. We are now at the fourth and the final stretch of the match, wherein the Blue Dolphins are still being challenged by their opponent. Coach Danny reminded his team that they still have the time para bumawi at humabol. Basta't may magandang depensa. Will they rub off the advices of Coach Danny to redeem themselves? We will find that out only here at Bucal Season 6. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui, on that update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And of course, abangan din natin or tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bawing gagawin dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Well, they just need to lessen the lead of the USA Falcons dito sa natitirang 7 minutes ng ating fourth and last quarter. Ayun at lamang po dito ng 38 points ang ating USI Falcons.
At yan nga, Jasper, kung babawi ito ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, kailangan umpisahan na nila ngayon. Because we only have 6 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. Napaka-limitadong oras na lamang ang meron dito ang Mariners Blue Dolphins para bunuin yung napakalaking kalamangan na meron ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. 46-84 on our scoreboard. Now, Doloso to inbound for the side of the Falcons. Passes here to jersey number 12. Now, Asibor back to jersey number 12. That's good para dito kay Alamer. Now, at this point, yung ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, napaparami yung mga turnovers nila dito at hindi nila nagagawa ng paraan yung kanilang mga ball possession. And with that, another steal was committed on the side of the USI Falcons at dire-diretso na nga yung momentum doon sa kanilang side. And at this moment, let's see kung kailangan pa bang mag-step up nitong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, and Razon was there to get a point here and to lessen that gap of the Falcons. Now let's see here as we are halfway through our fourth quarter.
Now, still, ayun at this time, malaki na talaga yung puntos na kalamangan nitong ating USA Falcons. 40 big points. Now, Doloso, dinagdagan pa yun ng isa. Another attempt, another chance for Doloso to add one. sa kanilang lead kontra dito sa ating Blue Dolphins. Now, no good on that attempt and a defensive rebound here by the Blue Dolphins. Now, Bacolod passes it to jersey number 17, but a steal coming. Back-to-back steal. Now, grabe, hindi talaga nagpatinag itong ating USA Falcons. Another 2 points coming from Doloso of the USA Falcons. Now, once again, Blue Dolphins, Merenciano. And a steal by Doloso once again. Jersey number 15, almost a layup, but no good on that attempt. At natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 3 Asibor. Jersey number 17 rather. Ayan, natawagan dito ng foul si Taghoy. And the ball will stay on the side of the Falcons. Now, Posada, as we're about to approach the midway of our fourth and final quarter. Now, Asibor. What a pass to jersey number 12, Alamer. Gets that 2 points. Now, once again, Merenciano for the Blue Dolphins. Still, 48 ang kanilang puntos dito. Now, Bacolod nagmamadali. Almost a layup. Another almost, pero no good on that fast break opportunity. Now, a whistle coming from jersey number 13, and that forces the USA Falcons to call a timeout. Siguro din, kaya sila tumawag ng timeout para pagpahingahin yung kanilang mga players dito. Sa 1 minutong pahinga is enough for the players since they are very doing good dito sa ating hard court. 4 minutes and 24 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Well, we also have to keep our eyes on the adjustments na gagawin dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins, especially sa kanilang depensa, dahil as we can see, mas nakaka-penetrate itong ating USA Falcons sa kanilang depensa compared sa depensang pinapakita dito ng ating USA Falcons. Now, syempre, we would like to commend our media partner. We have here One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, headed by our station manager, Sir J.M. Jacob, our technical director, Engineer RJ Rebedorian, and of course, ang ating napakagandang production administrator, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok, and syempre yung ating napaka-dedicated and napaka-passionate na cameramans. We have here Sir Brian Tosok, Ma'am Janjan Basales, ayan, Sir Kim Monteroso, Sir Jameson Breñas, Sir James Gabarda, and Ma'am Niela Berido. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Now we continue this fourth and final quarter. 48-93, 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. And we're fast approaching the end of this matchup. But still, the Mariners Blue Dolphins finds it hard to commit a point here at itong ating USA Falcons. Patuloy lang sa pagpuntos dito. And yung kung gusto pa ng Mariners Blue Dolphins na makuha yung momentum dito, kailangan nilang pag-iihan yung depensa nila dahil itong ating USA Falcons dire-diretso lang kung pumuntos. And with that remaining time, it will be hard for the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And the only thing that they can do right now is to lessen that gap against the USA Falcons and to tighten their defense now.
Merenciano for that 3 points, a long 3, almost in and out ball. Grabe, nahihirapan talaga dito. Itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins are really trouble on their side. Now, jersey number 13, Locke. Once again for the USA Falcons, now 4. No good on that 3 points attempt by Locke. Now, Bacolod almost again, but comes up short on that layup. Now, Ceruelos on the side of the USA Falcons. Maraming missed opportunities na itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Let's see once again, Merenciano. And a whistle. Natawagan dito Now foul si jersey number 13 of the USI Falcons, Lock. And that forces a timeout on the side of the USI Falcons.
And you know what, Jasper, kahit napakalaki na nung kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons, hindi pa rin nila binibitawan yung kanilang gameplay dito, which is very important na hindi sila naging complacent kahit alam na nila yung magiging resulta. But still, they focus on the game and still give their all dito sa ating match-up. Now, we only have 2 minutes and 47 seconds, 48-95 in favor of the USI Falcons. And with that, a quick shout-out to Patrick Beringuela, Enzo Lawrence, Luis Alexander Lapid, at kay John Mamonong, and of course kay Kyla Casulia na talagang nag-aantabay dito sa ating last matchup of our Sunday lineup. Now, 48-95, we only have 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Now let's see what will happen here. Will the Mariners Blue Dolphins lessen that big gap of the USI Falcons, or the USI Falcons dire-diretso yung kanilang magiging momentum dito? And of course, kailangan pang pag-igihan itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Aside from the defense, is also the offense, dahil ang daming opportunity on their side, but still hindi nila nagagawa ng paraan to gain a point here. But now let's see, as this is their ball possession with only 4 seconds on the shot clock. The passes on the outside, tries for 3, no good. Now USI Falcons, Ciruelos libreng-libre, extending their lead here para dito sa ating fourth quarter.
Ayan, at 49 points, big points ang hawak na kalamangan dito. Bawasan natin yan ng dalawa after that 2 points pull-up jumper by Panis on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now, Locke hands it to Nagal. Now, jersey number 6, Cuatro, as we are down to the last 2 minutes of our fourth and final quarter. Now, Ciruelos hands it to Cuatro, but that's not counted.
50-97, 47 big points ang meron ngayon ng USI Falcons sa kalamangan against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. A minute and 49 seconds remaining. Now it's the USI Falcons basketball. Let's see, they're still very determined here to widen that gap against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now look, passes on the inside here, but still from the side of the Blue Dolphins. Razon ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Passes to jersey number 21, Bacolod, going inside with that big man. Pero it was a foul there. Bacolod will be on the free throw line. Taghoy and Naag will be back on the court here. A minute and 27 seconds remaining. At ngayon nga, Bacolod on his first free throw. That's good. Now, Bacolod's second free throw, no good. Pero offensive rebound dito sa kanilang side. Out of bounds ball, but it will be back on their ball possession. A minute and 24 seconds. Now let's see here. Merenciano again with the ball. The passes on the other side. Papasok sa loob to try. No good. Still nasa Mariners yung ball possession, but a whistled foul there.
Ayun, at natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 11 of the USI Falcons, Nagal. Now, another chance for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins to lessen the gap. And that's good for that pull-out jumper by jersey number 21, Bacolod of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now, Ciruelos hands it to Nagal. Now, Nagal, we're well guarded here. Now, to Lock. Ciruelos now. A good ball rotation, but Cuatro almost get that pull-out jumper. And the same ball possession for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins as Locke touched that ball before it's going outside.
Now, Blue Dolphins ball possession. 38 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Merenciano, 12 seconds to shoot here. Long three, no good. Now, USI Falcons on the offense. Ciruelos ngayon. In and out ball, but a whistle foul there. Now that's a bad fall para dito kay Ciruelos. Nagkakapisikala na. Merenciano between jersey number 8, Quijano of the USI Falcons. Saka tayo patapos, Jasper. Saka din nagkaroon ng mainit na tensyon between the players here of the USI Falcons and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 21 seconds remaining. Now let's wait for our officials.
Grabe. Ngayon pa nagkainitan itong mga players natin na 21 seconds na lang ang natitira for our fourth and final quarter. Well, we'll see kung sino-sino yung mga tatawagan dito ng violations after the timeouts or after that officials challenge or officials review. Grabe. After Coach Tope shouted, nakawat lang, means they just have to play. And after that, nakita natin yung tension doon. Pero we'll see kung sino-sino yung matatawagan dito ng violations. And for the meantime, habang naghihintay tayo ng ating officials verdict or the officials decision, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading, Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. We also have here the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Fine Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and of course, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. Special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC, and Digital Graphics. Of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Gravinis Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po.
Now, the officials still reviewing that last sequence between the USI Falcons and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We only have 21 seconds and a big gap against the USI Falcons. At abangan po natin next week yung mga matitinding laro pa po na hatid sa inyo ng Bucal Season 6 and of course ng Oragon Sports TV. Kaya a quick shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers na talagang kahit sila apektado dun sa last sequence na nangyari. Shoutout kay Kyla Casulla, Ian Matthew Francisco, Celia St. James, Ian Matthew, kay Jalay Antones, Veronica Nacario, kay Chen Shira Nicolas, at kay Kim Shamel Villamer. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyo pagantabay, and still we're waiting for the officials kung ano nga ba yung magiging desisyon nila dito.
Alright, so grabe kainit din yung natunghayan nating tensyon doon kanina, pero our officials is making sure that everything is fair, so they are checking kung sino-sino yung mga matatawagan doon ng violations. Grabe, 21 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. And doon pati nagkaroon ng tensyon.
Yes, we only have last 21 seconds of the game. Talagang mainit na itong dalawang koponan nito. Of course, 53-97 on our scoreboard. Big cap of the USI Falcons. And still, napakaganda nung kanilang performance na ipinakita dito. And talagang pinatunayan nila na sila yung number 1 doon sa ating Division 2. While on the other hand, the Mariners Blue Dolphins needs to step up doon sa kanilang mga susunod na laro.
Alright, so we have received the decisions of our officials. Ayan, para malinaw tayo dito, Tin. Jersey number 22 of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, Ace Merenciano, has been called an unsportsmanlike foul. And dito naman sa side ng ating USI Falcons, let's take a look once again dito sa ating replay. Ace Merenciano, natawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul. Pero as we can see, paglapit dito ni Locke, and binunggo dito. Binunggo dito ni jersey number 11, si Ace Merenciano, Batkihano. And also jersey number 25, Del Rosario, checked in kahit na nasa bench sila. Also jersey number 10 and jersey number 15. And our officials review, natawagan dito once again si Ace Merenciano of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, natawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul. Ito namang si jersey number 11 of the USI Falcons, jersey number 11, Kendrick Nagal, natawagan rin ng unsportsmanlike foul. Also, James Quijano of the USI Falcons, natawagan ng technical foul. And jersey number 25, Elrenz Del Rosario, and jersey number 10, Carl Posada. Also, jersey number 15, Bonifacio Graho, matatawagan dito ng disqualifying foul since pumasok nga sila sa ating hardcourt even if kahit na nasa bench sila. Ayan, at magkakaroon dito ng I think magkakaroon dito ng game suspensions itong ating players. Pero let's once again hear it from our officials to confirm our decisions or their decisions. As we can see, they are still discussing kung ano-ano yung mga itatawag nila doon. And as we can see on our screens, Coach Don Razon, the tournament commissioner for Bucal Season 6, is now on the table to confirm the discussion.
Yeah, we're still waiting for the officials. And patuloy pa rin po sila dito sa pag-uusap dahil dun sa last sequence na nangyari na napanood natin ulit with that quick replay. Now let's see what will happen between the players of the USI Falcons and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Again, we only have 21 seconds remaining bago pa man mangyari yung ating insidente ngayon. 53-97 on our scoreboard. Shoutout dito kay James Leopold Antonio, kay Divine Nicolas Lorente, at kay Ted Ray Labordo na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Alright, so our officials is discussing pala kung kanino mapupunta ang ball possession after that sequence, and of course kung ilang free throws yung makukuha dito ng dalawang team, since yun na nga may tawag din sa ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins na unsportsmanlike foul for Ace Merenciano, and of course mas marami yung tawag dito on the side of the USI Falcons, including the disqualifying fouls. So they are discussing kung ilang free throws dito. And to confirm, alright, to confirm the decisions of our officials, natawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul itong si jersey number 22, Ace Merenciano, out of the playing court. And itong namang ating USI Falcons jersey number 11, unsportsmanlike foul, and also Quijano, jersey number 8, technical foul. Jersey number 25, Del Rosario, and jersey number 10, Posada, also jersey number 15, Graho, is called to have a disqualifying foul and out of the playing court. Alright, so our officials are still discussing kung ilang free throws talaga ang makukuha dito ng dalawang teams na ito. Sa NCF
Now we are back on the ball game here. 21 seconds remaining. Nakita na nga po natin yung mga players na nabigyan dito ng mga tawag from both sides, the USI Falcons and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 21 seconds, 53-97 on our scoreboard.
Alright, so tapos na or planchado na ang desisyon ng ating officials. The USI Falcons will get that 5 free throws dahil dun sa shooting foul na nakomit kanina na Ace Merenciano. That will be 3 free throws. And after that, yung unsportsmanlike foul na naitawag kay Merenciano will also give the USI Falcons a 2 free throws, a total of 5 free throws on the side of the USI Falcons. And ito namang ating MPCF Blue Dolphins makakakuha ng 7 free throws or 7 free throws after that disqualifying fouls by Del Rosario Posada and jersey number 15 Graho. Ayan. And as we can see, jersey number 12 Naag on his free throws.
At yun nga, natapos na yung free throw dito ni Naag. Now on the side of the USI Falcons, si Ruelos naman ngayon na pupunta sa free throw line. Si Ruelos and Nagal will be on the free throw line para dito sa kanilang mga free throws.
That's good for that first free throw by Ciruelos. Still 21 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Now good on that second attempt by Ciruelos. Once again Ciruelos. And that's good for that third attempt by Ciruelos. Now Nagal. No good on that first attempt by Nagal. The fourth free throw of the USI Falcons now for their last free throw. That's good, courtesy of Nagal. Now we're back sa ating ball game. Mapupunta ang bola on the side of the USI Falcons with 21 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. 100-58 ang ating score. Grabe.
At ayan nga, Jasper, they're just taking their time. And finally, we can say that the USI Falcons gets their win and 0 loss dito sa ating Divisions 2. Napakaganda pa rin po ng kanilang ranking dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. At natapos po nga yan sa 58-100. Still, congratulations dito sa Mariners Blue Dolphins. At sa ating pong pagbabalik, makikilala na natin ng ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Unibersidad de Sta, where love is service. And the best player of the game is none other than jersey number 22, John Michael Doloso, with 27 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists. Good evening and congratulations. How does it feel na muli ninyong nakuha ang panalo against the Mariners Blue Dolphins?
Siyempre masaya, pero yun, daming na thrown out sa amin, pero still, nanalo kami. Yun.
Ayan, share mo naman kung paano kayo nagtulungan as a team.
Unang-una talaga kami, nag-focus kami sa defense, tapos sinabi namin sa sarili namin na yung offense, reward na lang talaga, basta umayos kami sa defense. Yun lang.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo naman or pasalamatan ang mga sumusuporta sa iyo at sa USI Falcons.
Binabati ko yung teammates ko, USI community, tapos girlfriend ko, family ko, tapos kina-coach. Coach, bawi kami next game.
Ayan, thank you so much and congratulations. This has been Chen Shaira Nicolas, your courtside reporter, only here at Bucal Season 6, One Media TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
There you have it, Bicolandia. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than jersey number 22, John Michael Doloso with 27 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists. Hatin sa atin yan ng ating very dedicated na courtside reporter, Chen Nicolas, and of course, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, where love is service. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok for our Sunday action mula kaninang first game up until dito sa ating fourth game. Congratulations din sa lahat ng winner from yesterday, the Saturday action up until ngayong Sunday action. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan po natin next week ang ma-action pa pong laban na hatid po sa inyo ng Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga, only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.